The concentration camps were not invented by Hitler. They were invented by Lenin.
I never liked John Lennon. I always preferred Ringo.
Lenin was not first either. Engels and Marx expected that the prisons would not be large enough for the enemies of socialism and therefore recommended that specially guarded places were to be established.
The Marx Brothers were not that funny. However, Charlie Chaplin, he was funny.
But he was a commie.
Oh,
Environmentalism increases the CO2 levels.
oh, shh, don't tell Greta.
And Putin did not invent Putinism, the ordinary Russians did.
Oh. Stop! Don't drink the Novichok!